Hello friends, how are you? Today we are going to draw a man sitting and reading a book. Let's start the drawing from the head. Alright, first we are going to draw the hairs on the man's head. This is going to be a different style of the drawing. Alright. So you can see that the hair, I just draw a few lines. Alright, let's draw the hands, which looks like this. Alright, so the drawing is in progress, you can see. Alright, and this hands is coming on this side. Okay, lots of wrinkles in the dress, you can see. This is because when we wear a dress, it has wrinkles in different places. Sometimes the clothes are just folded, and sometimes because of the shades. All right, okay, so the man is sitting here, and now we are going to draw the book, so it's a bigger book. As the book is closer to us, so we are going to draw it little much bigger in proportion with the body. All right, if we like, we can make that man sitting on a platform. We're going to draw the few wrinkles here and another sitting position in this side, and we draw some wrinkles of the clothes. Okay, the dais or the platform on which he is sitting, let's raise it above the ground. We can draw another line in that behind position. Then we can put some racks like this. Looks nice. Few racks here. Looks like this is a wooden platform. Okay, So you can see that the appearance here, this is quite nice. Now we can put some wooden color for the platform, as you can see here. Okay. Okay, let's draw the colors in this position too. Let's draw another place, and it's the same color as we have done previously. So you can see the platform is nicely visible. All right. The dark color for the dais on which the book is resting, we can make a separate color outlooks. Okay. Let's put a off-white color for this panel. Okay. We can put the black color for the hair, you can see. Okay. And the little blue color for the dress. As you can see from the drawing, it's getting nice and nice. Okay. Let's put the purple color for the bottom part here. As you can see that it's a traditional outfit. All right, and for the books we can draw separate lines like this. Okay, so it's a nice drawing. You can see the drawing is done. I hope this style of drawing you really like it. As you like, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.